Yeah. Don't tell anyone.
Don't tell anyone.
She recognized yung capybara.
That's a snake.
Ah, the snake.
Nakakita yung mga medals pwede po yung nasa kabila. That's the way po. Hindi po sila nagtatanong kasi kung pinag-shirt po nila kami na.
Yes po.
Si Ama. Kapit-bahay mo sa San Roque. Ay, totoo? Totoo?
Dating.
Ayun po siya sa ilalim.
Why?
Sorry. Kasaway. Ano?
He's scared, Mom.
So good.
Go. Looking at you.
Tommy.
Oh, it's a wildcat, baby.
Teka lang.
Harry Potter. Luna.
Luna. Ah, that's the other group. Or this way.
So pwedeng itagong sa side. Nakahawak po dalawang kamay lamang. Pero huwag po tayo masyadong lumayo para hindi rin po mahirapan ang ating video. Yan.
Later.
Hold it tight, dear. Hold it tight. Para mag-attack sa inyo ay papalibutan niya po kayo. Hihigpitan niya lang po sa kalin. Hindi na yun na po. Hanggang sa unting hindi na po kayo. Okay, again, later po pwede tayo mag-take a picture of Prince Python. Ilanagay po po ayaw daw nila.
Sige ma'am, balik niyo lang po sa middle.
Is up to present. So mga vintage na. So yung pinaka-vintage na laruan na nandun is
Luna.
give you a try. This is the secret. They have a magnet here. In our mangas, you can put it back like that. Now, you try it. You hold like this. Then you shoot it upward. You like that one? Oh, over here, I show some more magic here. Okay? Another magic. I have a drawer here. This is an empty drawer, right? Do you like a candy? Do you like candy? Oh, you wrap it. If you like candy, they have a candy inside. Then they're having this again. It's empty. And this one, look. I have a one here. Okay, then 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I teach you. This is the secret. They have a magnet, just like ours, guys. Okay, sir. And now, you insert the flower here, like this. Then you hold it. Like this, okay? Then tap it here. Just tap and pull it up. Wow, you like that one? Or this one, no?
You want to show them?
I'll go show them. Okay. Mag-intro ka sa magic mo. Very
I do. Yes, I do. It's so fast.
10,000 light years per second.
Wow.